Hey everybody, it's Lou. It's Wednesday, March 13th. It is 2:50 p.m. The market's still open. The market is down 160 points right now, currently. It was down 190, but it's going back up a little bit, but I believe it's going to go down by the end of the day. I still hold the SKF, the ultra short for the financials, which is doing well today. The SRS, which is a short for the real estate market, and the FAZ, the FAZ, which is a good ETF to buy. They're all good right now because the market's going down. But I'm going to stick with them. I've owned them for 2 days now. They've made me some money, so I'm going to stick with them. I don't see the market turning around anytime soon now. I think it's going to go down, at least for the next couple days. There's some news. Chrysler came out. Well, Chrysler didn't come out. The government came out, and originally they estimated that the bankruptcy would take 2 months. Now they're saying it's probably going to take 2 years. So that's a real knock to the market, because all the bondholders aren't agreeing to what the bankruptcy wants to give them. They want to give the unions more money, and besides that, they want to give the unions more money than the bondholders in the company. Besides that, the taxpayers, when they put like $4 or $5 billion into it, aren't getting any money back. When I say the taxpayers, I mean the government bailed them out, and that's our taxpayer money. And to make the taxpayers even seem more happier, we're going to wind up giving $6 more billion to the new company. So you got that. You got retail sales are down, worse than expected. They thought the retail sales would be flat, but they were down 0.5% to 0.5%. And get this, that's excluding motor vehicles and the parts. So, again, they're scamming this number up. Including bad sales of motor vehicles and parts departments, the retail sales will probably be down 2%. So they fixed this all up again to make everything look better, even though it did not beat expectations, which they lowered. So they were thinking retail sales were going to be flat, but they were negative 0.5%. So that tells us that the consumers aren't spending money, that the economy's worsening, not getting better, as their green shoots that they use. Isn't that silly? They all use these green shoots that Ben Bernanke used a month ago in one of his speeches. Now it's all on CNBC. It's on, all the analysts come out and say, oh, there's a green shoot. When the reality is the economy's not getting better. It's getting worse. Foreclosures are down. Foreclosures are rising. There's more foreclosures last month than any other month. So things are getting worse. So I guess the end of the economy getting worse is over. It's going to get worse. So I would not trade this market. I would trade. I wouldn't buy it for long or short. It would be day trades or 2-day trades. The market's so volatile, and who knows what the news is going to come out. You'll probably see Obama out and Ben Bernanke for the next 2 weeks on the news, speaking every day to try to build the market up again. The dollar's dropping. I think the dollar's up a little today, but over the past couple weeks it's down, I believe it's 10 cents, which is a lot. Gold's been going up for the past week. So, I don't know. You never know if this is the downturn. The more negative news as it comes out, what's going to happen. If I was to short anything, I would short the SKF, which I own, FAZ, and the SRS. Now, there's another stock that I have. It's LPHI, which I would buy for the long. They're coming out and announce earnings. They're a life insurance company. They're coming out, they're going to announce earnings on Friday. I don't know if it's in the morning or the afternoon. I just put in a position today. It's a $15 stock. It's called Life Partners Holdings. In other words, they manage all these life insurance policies and they make big fees off them. So they're expected to beat the analyst estimates, which we all know isn't hard to do. But their estimates have actually gone up because they've done so good. If you look at their last quarter, they beat estimates by a couple, about 10 cents or something. So it's LPHI. I got into that. I'm going to stay in it till maybe, if they don't beat the estimates, I'm going to get out of it. But they're supposedly supposed to beat them. If they beat them, I'll probably stay in until Monday or Tuesday, because they're coming out on Friday and announcing. If you want to get in, I would get in tomorrow or today at some point. Oh, that's it. My overall outlook is that the economy is really bad and it's going to get really worse, and the game is up. The bond market's beginning to get shaky. The dollar's going lower. Gold's going up. Stocks are going down. And, a few more pieces of really bad news, because that's what you need to make this market go down, because anything that's not really tragic news on the economy, they say that as a green shoot, as good news, So, and one other thing, the job employment number was 539,000, they said, which was lower than last quarter. However, they put in 70,000 jobs, the government, which made the number go down. So we're actually worse. They were expecting 600,000 last month, and it was actually over that if you take out the 70,000 jobs that the government put in. And the government's supposed to be hiring another 1 million census workers. That's what these 70,000 were. So you're going to see every month it's a big scam, that it makes the unemployment numbers go up. So, because when they show that data on your local news, it just says 530,000 jobs. But if you look in the data, or you watch the new, the stock market news, CNBC, or not even them, they don't even like to say it. You'll see what a scam it is, because they'll say about the 70,000, so it should have added actually another 60,000 jobs. There was something I read in Barron's. So it actually should have been another 130,000 jobs. So now we're looking at 670,000 jobs that were lost last month without all these numbers finagling and playing around and lying about them. So that's it for today. I'd stock up on some food, buy some gold, and if you can get some weapons, get them, because the gun shops are running out of bullets right now, ammunition. Everybody's buying shotguns and pistols and everything. It'd probably be hard to get a license for a pistol right now, but if you go get a shotgun, it'll take you 2 weeks. You just give them all your information. If you have no felonies or no criminal record, in 2 weeks you go pick up the shotgun. So, alright, well, have a good day. Right now the market is down 150, and it's 3 p.m. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys later.